What a day on Wall Street. Folks, the bulls came charging in on this Monday, April 14th. Let's break down everything you need to know. The mood is firmly bullish across the board today. Stocks staged a massive comeback rally to kick off the week. The S&P 500 surged 1.22%. The Nasdaq led the charge, jumping 1.82%. The Dow Jones added a solid 0.7%. Broad-based buying pushed all three major indices firmly into the green. Now let's talk about the Magnificent Seven. Because wow, what a session. Meta absolutely crushed it today, rocketing 4.41% to close at $662.49. That was the biggest mover among the mega caps. Amazon wasn't far behind, climbing 3.81% to $249.02. Nvidia matched that energy, surging 3.8% to close at $196.51. Alphabet posted a strong 3.61% gain, finishing at $332.91. And Tesla rounded out the top five, rallying 3.34% to $364.20. Big tech absolutely carried this market today. Let's swing over to commodities, where we're seeing a fascinating split. Gold pushed higher by 2.23%, trading at $445. Silver was the real star though, exploding 5.51% higher to $72.04. Precious metals are clearly in demand right now. On the flip side, oil took a serious hit. WTI crude tumbled 3.6% to $123.85. That pullback in energy prices likely helped fuel some of today's stock market optimism. Over in crypto, it's a different story entirely. Bitcoin slipped 0.77%, sitting at $74,166. Ethereum had a tougher session, dropping 2.36% to $2,321. Crypto traders are sitting this rally out for now. Forex data was unavailable for today's session, so we'll skip right to the headlines. The big story driving today's action is the massive rebound in equities. The S&P 500 wiped out all of its recent Iran-related war losses in a single session. That's the kind of snapback that reminds you how quickly sentiment can shift. In corporate news, Dell and HP shares jumped on reports of acquisition speculation. That deal chatter added fuel to an already hot market. And in a truly bizarre story, a man was charged after allegedly throwing a Molotov cocktail at OpenAI CEO Sam Altman's home. Thankfully, no injuries were reported. What a way to start the week. The bulls clearly have momentum after today's comeback session. Keep an eye on whether this rally has legs heading into Tuesday. Watch for any developments on the geopolitical front, as that remains the wild card. Also monitor oil prices closely, because another move lower could give equities even more room to run. That's your market wrap for April 14th. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.